What is the process for a suspension damage insurance claim? Have you ever wondered what happens when your vehicle suffers suspension damage? It can be a bit overwhelming, but understanding the process for filing an insurance claim can make it easier. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to report the damage promptly. As soon as you notice any issues with your suspension, contact your insurance company. Many policies requiring you to file a claim within a specific time frame after the incident. When you call, have your policy number handy and provide details about how the damage occurred. Next, documenting the damage is essential. Take clear and detailed photographs of the suspension components and the surrounding area. If the damage resulted from an accident, make sure to photograph the scene and any other vehicles involved. This documentation will support your claim and help the insurance adjuster assess the damage accurately. After you have documented everything, it is time to file the claim. You can do this online, over the phone, or through your insurance agent. Be sure to include all necessary information, such as the date and cause of the damage, the photos you took, and any police reports if applicable. Once your claim is filed, the insurance company will assign an adjuster to review it. The adjuster may inspect your vehicle in person or review the photos you submitted. For suspension damage, a thorough inspection is often necessary because some issues may not be visible from the outside. Now, let's talk about estimating repair costs. The adjuster or an approved repair shop will provide an estimate for the cost to repair or replace the damaged suspension components. Keep in mind that suspension repairs can be expensive due to the parts and labor involved, so accurate estimation is critical. Once the estimate is approved by the insurance company, you can proceed with the repairs. Many insurers have a network of approved repair shops, but you might also have the option to choose your own shop, depending on your policy. Don't forget about your deductible. You will need to pay the deductible amount specified in your policy. The insurance company will cover the remaining repair costs up to your policy limits. Finally, keep track of your claim. Use your insurer's online portal or app to monitor the status of your claim and communicate with your adjuster. It's also a good idea to keep all repair receipts and documentation in case any further questions arise. Remember, suspension damage might not be immediately apparent after an incident. Symptoms like unusual noises, poor handling, or uneven tire wear can show up later. That's why it's important to have a professional inspection after any incident that could affect your suspension. Insurance coverage for suspension damage depends on the cause. If the damage is due to a covered event like a collision, your comprehensive or collision coverage will typically apply. However, damage from wear and tear or lack of maintenance is generally not covered. By following these steps, you can navigate the process of filing a suspension damage insurance claim with confidence. Stay organized, communicate clearly with your insurer, and you will have a smoother claims experience.